So we try to train together with our coach.
Eh, para ka na raw manager.
Ha?
Ikaw talaga. Ano to, PBB team? PBB team? What you see is what you get. Grabe. Thank you so much. I am super excited and feeling super blessed talaga. Sobrang looking forward talaga ako, of course, working with mga artista na sobrang galing. And it's my first time to do Muay Thai. Sobrang heavy pala nun. So, kinaumagahan, pagising ko, nilagnat ako. Rin talaga kami mag-training ni Chard. So, with Chard's help. Chard's
Partner.
trainer. Sobrang iba to and may kailangang alagaan.
How long have you been in the industry?
I think 10 yes, biggest for me. I can say this is the biggest. Syempre, yung mga kasama ko, grabe. After araw-gabi and bagong umaga, ito ulit yung next ko. So I'm very happy.
Barbie, na ikaw daw ang mag-train?
Yes. So,
Barbie, na ikaw daw ang mag-train?
yes. So